How's it going, everybody? FX Street coming to you with an updated video on Litecoin against the US dollar. Before we get into this video, make sure you guys know, check us out on YouTube at FXS Street. Check us out on Twitter, FXS Crypto. I've been keeping my own journal documenting the good moves that we've been catching over the last few weeks. TM Charts 100. So Litecoin. Man, I gave out the call, and look, I got stopped out. So, I'm not a machine, man. I take losses. How far did it go? Went to 52.19. I had my stop at 54. You're looking at a lot of charts all day. I'm expecting this to run up to 70, 75. Looking at so many charts, it's really hard to have all your stop losses in and not get hit. You're going to take a couple of losses. It's paper cuts is what I like to call them. You're going to take some, man. It's just part of the game. So, yeah, I got stopped out here. I think I lost, like, I don't know, a little bit of money. It wasn't really a big deal, but, yeah, man, take losses. So, yeah, Litecoin has rallied higher. Give you guys my stop, and then I kind of take the short end of the stick for that one. I still think it's going to rally. Can we look for a signal? 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 1, 2, 1, 2. Litecoin is really, really looking interesting here. I don't like the volume pattern, but it's a lot of interesting volume there. I don't like this volume pattern now. Which the only thing you can call this is really a 1, 2, 1, 2 at this point. So that's all you can really call this is a 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2. Even the 2 down here can still get touched. Everything is still just dependent on Bitcoin, man. So as mentioned in the last video, I do think Bitcoin is going to attack higher liquidity levels. I don't think this is going to continue falling before this marker at 24,200, 25,000 gets hit. And then I have another liquidity level up here that I'd like to see get hit. So I'm thinking some kind of leading diagonal and a breakdown. So but we're getting close here. We're getting close. We'll see how this pans out. See what tomorrow brings us in the next day. A break out of this ascending wedge could definitely change things. But as you see, you can also move it here. So I think we're not going to see any moves for a couple of days, man, to be honest. So I'd say sit on your hands until you get some more updates. This is your updated video on Litecoin, man. I wouldn't buy this just yet, man. I wouldn't buy this just yet, unfortunately. Got stopped out. Every trader takes a loss. You take 1 or 2 before you catch a good move, according to some really good traders that I know. So, let's just leave it at that. It's your updated video on Litecoin. Make sure you guys know YouTube FXS Street, Twitter FXS Crypto, TM Charts 100. We're posting some of the good stuff. All right, take care.